All right. Well, meanwhile, Zoom Video jumping after reporting third quarter earnings to the downside. We're seeing there for a deeper dive. We're going to take into the company's latest financial results. Siti Panigrahi, Mizuho America's managing director. Thank you for joining us this afternoon. So as we're seeing there, the stock to the downside, earnings on point, a miss. Revenue on point, a miss on earnings per share. What are your expectations when you're looking ahead to the earnings call?
Yeah, so good to be here. And if you look at revenues, it is slightly above expectation, but that's mostly because of FX headwinds again. Otherwise, growth would have been, top line growth would have been 7%, but reported 5%. But on earnings, actually, on a non-GAAP basis, they actually beat our expectation. They beat consensus expectation. As you see, adjusted EPS was $1.07 versus 83 cents. I think right now, mostly this, what do you see after our reaction, mostly because of the Q4 guidance. They lowered Q4 expectation, given the macro environment, which I think it's prudent in this kind of environment. But what investors are mostly looking for, what would be the next fiscal year revenue growth, as Zoom becoming, as it's going through a transition period right now. So if they lower the Q4 number, now everybody will expect that the growth rate for next year will slow down. That's probably why you're seeing more the reaction at this point, but we'll hear more from the management at their call.